welcome to my channel. Today we will be using one of the inbuilt new functions of TM6, namely the kettle. I know you may be laughing about it. I have to say. However, when I moved into a place where there was a very tiny kitchen, I actually had to apologize to my TM6 and use the function of the kettle there. So I'll be making coffee because I haven't had a coffee yet. So I have my instant coffee. I have my water. So let's pour some water in. It doesn't matter, of course, at the time it's going to adjust itself as per the amount of water you're going to be putting there. And now, if you swipe to the left, you will have all the inbuilt functions. And the one that is on the right, the far right hand, is the kettle. So when you press it, you will get the setting of 100 degrees and the kettle. So press the kettle, cover the lid, or cover the bowl, and just turn the knob. And that's it. And you will not see the time here, so it will just switch itself off when the water is boiled.